Hello everyone, this is my review of the Hollystone drone with 1080p camera. It comes with the remote control. The drone there fits like in the palm of your hand. It's a pretty small drone. You got your power cord, you got 2 battery packs with it, and you download an app that you connect the drone to your phone so you can see through the camera on your phone. It's pretty easy to set up. Just plug in your battery, unfold your arms, add 3 AAA batteries to your controller, connect the drone to your phone using the app and the wireless connection that it has in the drone. As you can see, the camera there has a pretty good picture and you can record and stuff on it. Take it outside where you have a little bit more room to maneuver. It's pretty easy to handle. And there we go. So I hope this review helps.